Hello family. Welcome back to Dividend Passport Bro. It's your boy E with another video. And today we're just doing a review of the week and see what we've done as we come to the end of the week. But before we get to that, we're going to look at the back end. This is the back end of the portfolio of our YouTube channel. And as you can see, we are up to 119 subscribers as of today. And we have gained 73 subscribers in the last 28 days. Okay, guys, and of course the videos, it wasn't that long of a video, and the average duration is about 6.25 minutes. So this is pretty good. Okay, guys, and another thing, we hit a new achievement, a new landmark for YouTube. We have over 5,000 views, and like I said, we've been posting videos regular on this channel for about a month, and we got over 5,000 views. And we hit, of course, you guys already know, we hit boom, 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 the 100 subscriber mark. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel. And guys, also, we do have a Discord. I don't really put a lot of information stuff into the Discord, guys, but you know, you guys need to sign up for the Discord, and we're still building the Discord. So you know, you might get in there and don't get a lot of information from me at this time, but we're still building the Discord. So I want you guys to sign up, join the Discord. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. And you know, as the channel grow, when you guys need to have conversations, we can have conversations in the Discord where we don't have to, I mean, if you need something, if you want to say something very important that you don't want the whole world to know, you can post it into the Discord. That only people, members of the Discord, will be able to access. And like I said, it doesn't cost anything, guys. This is just for us to go there and communicate with each other. And you can communicate with anybody in the Discord, ask questions, right? We learn from each other as this goes. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel and also join the Discord, right? We got a few members, new members into the Discord, and you know, I just appreciate you guys for what you guys are doing so far. Keep it going, all right, guys? All right, so as I said, you know, I appreciate everything you guys do to make sure the channel is moving smoothly. Now, before we get into doing the summary review for this week, as you guys know, I like to make this a disclaimer. I'm not a professional. You know, I review my channel on this my channel and my portfolio on this channel, right? I review my portfolio on this channel, and you know, everything that I'm going through within the market, I try to share with you guys, so and you guys can learn from my mistakes. As I always say, you're free to use my what I have in the channel, but make sure you do your own due diligence, right, to verify all the information and do what's best for you. Okay, guys, so let's go into the first portfolio. Now, as you can see from Friday, this is today, but it's from Friday, right? This is Saturday, so the market's closed today. So they were down yesterday 2.43%, right? And that's about what, $2,637.92, right? Now overall, I mean, that's a big sum, right? When you get higher, the higher you go, the more money you invest. When the market is down, of course you lose a lot of money, right? So, but you know, overall, I have I have other portfolios on this profile. So overall, my actual amount that I lost, well, that I'm down, it's not a loss. You don't lose anything until you sell. That I'm down is about 3.32% overall, because I have multiple portfolios under Fidelity. My daughter, my baby, the youngest one, her portfolio is under here. I have my SHA, which is my health savings account. What I use when I get sick and go to the doctor, I use that to pay my health benefits and stuff like that, you know, to pay for my deductible and stuff like that. So I have that account, and I have my Roth also. That's a retirement account. I also have a growth account, and all those, you know, I have multiple accounts. So over all of those accounts, you know, but as you can see, this is the main one that I taking the hit come from here, mostly from here, right? Because as you guys know, the market was bad on Friday. The market was down, but I spent a lot of money. So let's go into that. So I spent a lot of money buying on Friday, right? So as you can see, the amount that I spend, right? And this is my balance, I guess, in the end, or my balance at the beginning of the day, and then as the goal towards the end of the day, my balance went down because I was buying more positions, right? I was buying more positions. So as the day went down, I was buying more positions. So let's get back to the 26. 26 is the 6. Why I keep saying 26? The 6. So the 6 is right here, right? So I started buying. So as you can see, the number kind of went up a little bit, right? As the day go by, right? I buy. So the cash, my cash balance went up, right? The reason my cash balance went up, when I did this filter, I took out my income, whatever income that came in, I took that out, right? So as of today, of course, it went back up because the income, money that came into the account, increased my balance, okay? But as you can see, I spent a lot of money on buying on Friday on this portfolio alone, right? So you can do the math and see here, right? From here, where is it? From there, right? So I bought a little bit there, but sometimes when you buy, right, you don't get the whole amount at one time. So you probably get a little bit. Some people sell a portion, some people sell a lot. Because even though you put an offer in to buy, there might not be people out there selling. So if the people are not selling, it might take a little longer for you to get your your buy order filled. And in that process, you can get, people might sell a little bit of stuff here, and then that gets sold. So if you can look, I mean, it's not everything got filled right away, right? But I did that, and I bought everything I bought it multiple times, right? I bought it multiple times during the day because when I checked the market in the morning, it was low, I bought. And then about 2, when I got back to Barranquilla, and I checked the market again, it was low, and I bought again, right? And then I didn't really do anything else at the end of the market because I was like, you know what, I'll wait till next week. Let's see what happens next week. It might go up, it might go down. Plus, I'm waiting for dividends to come in. As dividends come in, I have more money, then my buying power go back up. So, I mean, we don't have to do everything. We can build, Rome wasn't built in one day. We have to build the portfolio a little by little. Okay, guys? So let's go back. Let's go into chart swap. So as you can see, chart swap is down, okay? So initially, before I got into margins, my portfolio around $84,000, right? But I have multiple portfolios in here. I have my daughter portfolio in here and my portfolio. But my daughter don't have very little, like less than $1,000 in her portfolio on this on chart swap. So, but overall, it's about, I think I have close to like 83,000 in my portfolio, and then overall it's about 80-something thousand. That's including my money from that I used to pay my card that I moved to that other account that pays my card, right? So that money stays there until the card note is paid. But as you can see, the overall down, right, is this amount, right? But if you go down, if we go all the way down, and now that everything has changed, because when I showed this number on, what was that, Friday, the number was a lot. It was like $12,000, right? But we have money that came in that paid down. So now we back down to 6,000 overall, right? In that I owe, right? So overall, the down amount is this right here. That's what I believe. I still need to talk to these guys to verify. And then the actual amount from my actual portfolio is this amount right here. Because that's the one that makes sense. Because this is my actual number that in my account right now without margins, and this is the number with margins. So with margins, I'm down about 2,000, and then I'm 4,000 in my actual portfolio. So overall, is this right here, right? So you see the number, right? The number here, you see the number, but it's kind of crazy to kind of figure it out. But that's where we are. So also in this portfolio, let's go here and then order. So also in this portfolio, I did a lot of buying. Now we have money that we had dividend that come in because I have similar higher yield portfolio positions in this portfolio, and I bought similar amount into from the last time, right? So you can see what I bought here, right, at this price, right? The other fell at this price. Now, when I placed my order, the asking price was this right here, right? But I do limit orders. I always do limit orders. I never really buy at market except the price is a big difference, and I don't really care because I'm just trying to do a daily cost average, and I'm just trying to get whatever the lowest price is. But sometimes you'll put in the order to buy, and then when you put the order to buy, when you go to buy it, it will tell you, say, oh, what you have in there is higher than what the actual price is at that point. So you can go back and change it. So you go back and change it. So sometimes that happens multiple times because the market is dropping while you're trying to buy. It's going down, 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 down. So at this point, what I usually do is I'll say, okay, well, you know what? I bought it for $5. Now it's at $4.25, right? But between the time you put your first order to when you put your last order, it dropped to $4.25, so it's another 25 cents, right? So at this point, I was like, you know what? I'll just put in $4. If it gets to $4, my order gets filled. If it don't get to $4, then I have to try the next day, depending on what the market do. But most of the time, when it's dropping crazy like that, I would go lower, maybe it's about a few cents or about $1. You know, it just depends on the size of the purchase price, right? And sometimes, you know, people sell because they get scared, right? People sell because they get scared. The market is dropping, and they sell because they get scared. For me, I look at that as an opportunity to buy. As I always tell you guys, I rather buy when the market is red, because on green days, I mean, what I bought is going up in value, so my actual portfolio value is going up, right? So I mean, I don't need to buy anything at that point, right? I wait until the next month or the next day or the next week. But this month and next month, up until November, I mean, the market is going to be going up and down, right? So, and we can't spend all the money we have because, like I said, I'm using margin, so I have to be careful on how I use margins, right? Because I don't want to get myself into trouble what I get a margin call, and then I have to pull money from another account to pay, right? But you can see I bought this. The market price at the time was at what's that, 246, right? And the bid, and they were asking for, the asking price was at 250, right? And the bid was 236, but I got it for 235. Because I mean, whatever I put in a 235 to get 1,000 share. Now this is like $2 and something a share. So when it hit that 235 for a certain period of time, sometimes it might go below that, and my order get filled, right? But the actual price come next week, you know, this was trading at 247. I mean at 246 pretty much all week. Last week until Friday, right? It started at 242 and it went up to 246. So I mean, if it dropped down, I buy. If it doesn't drop down, I don't lose anything. I wait till the next dip, and then I buy on the dip, right? When the dip is when the price drop. So you guys, I mean, it's just, I'm just giving you guys some things to understand. Look at this order I canceled right here, right? I didn't cancel this. It didn't get failed. So at the end of the day, it automatically got canceled, right? My limit price, I mean, of course, the price is different. The price is different now. The price is different from Friday. But when I put in my price, my limit price was at $21 and something. Now this is the price. I think this is the price from Friday. This is not the actual price because the price dropped because I bought a little lower. But when I put in my bid, the price was at $21.39. So the reason that it didn't get filled because my order did not go meet the price of the market. The market did not drop enough for that price to get filled. So it stay in that, because when I do my thing, I do it for all day. So if at some point the market gonna go down and go up, go down and go up. So if it drops down low enough, at or below what I'm asking for, my order gonna get filled. Boom, quick. If it done, my order is not gonna get filled. And the same thing, I did 100 share there, 100 share here. At the time I did it for 1052. As you can see, on Friday it was down to 1031. Now I did buy Alt-T and Misty. So let's go back to our Alt-T and Misty. But I didn't do it in this. I did it in the other portfolio. I didn't buy in this portfolio because I probably wasn't down enough in this portfolio, so I didn't buy. But I'm just trying to show you guys so y'all can understand that, you know, the market is interesting. You have to learn how to do these things. And then when you need to trade, you know, you can go in and trade, but you have to learn. I mean, I need a very great account that I can use. I haven't tried on here yet to see if I can trade, and you guys don't see my account information. It probably can, and if it is, I'm gonna try to do it live. Well, not live. I'm gonna try to do it while making a video during the early hours, and I can do that for you guys to see. But I mean, it's pretty simple. The videos out there, people making these videos about trading and stuff, and they cover the stuff. I'm not good at covering things, and I don't want to do anything crazy, so I just keep it simple and show you guys the much stuff I can show you guys. Right? Tesla, Misty. Yeah, I didn't get one of those. I thought I did, but I didn't buy it here. I bought it in the other portfolio. So guys, this is what I want to show you guys today, right? So come Monday, we're gonna see where we are now. Come Monday with all of the buys that we have done, and the thing is gonna update. So by Monday it should be completely update, and then we also got dividend coming in. So when the dividend come in, the amount is gonna increase, right? So the company pays the profits to us. We get our profits when you own the share. The dividend is just basically the company profit to keep that profit, and they share some of that profit with the people, with the owners, right? So we own a portion of that. You know, other people own a larger portion, they get more money. So the more you reinvest your money, your portion gets a little bigger every time you get more dividend. Now, as of late, they have weekly dividends, they have monthly dividends, quarterly and annually. Before that, you wouldn't find no weekly, right? All this stuff, new things have coming over the years, you know, that is improving income for us income people, because I'm investing for income so I can retire at some point. I already reached that mark where I can retire now because I want to live abroad. So that's pretty good, right? So remember, guys, do your due diligence. These positions you see here, you know, they are more higher risk. They're higher yield, so they're higher risk. So like I said, do your due diligence, subscribe to the channel, like, share the content, and tomorrow we'll be doing the Edwin Talk video, and we're just going to be talking about anything and everything as it relates to investing, life, and all that good stuff, right? Because I make sure that we don't only focus on just making money, but I make sure we focus on getting ourselves together mentally to live a better, fruitful, and healthy life, guys. So until then, stay blessed. Peace. Love you guys.